Good day, everybody. This is our first presentation for 2024, no? And again, this is your Coach Tony, your leader for our business, and also our coach, no? Ngayon, guys, let's start. As you can see here, you can see alam nyo na yan, yung andyan sa illustration sa kaliwa, di ba? That's the Bitcoin, di ba? Are you familiar with the Bitcoin boom? So basically, kala natin 'di ba ang Bitcoin back in the yung mga 2010, 2009, kala natin scam 'yan, kala natin mawawala 'yan, 'di ba? So the price of Bitcoin during that time was about 15 pesos or 0.3. Ni-research ko yan sa Google, no? So and then 2024, 14 years, magkano na siya ngayon? It's $42,611 US dollars and equivalent to 2.38 million isang Bitcoin. Now, there are people who have invested thousands of Bitcoin, no? Back in the day. And imagine they're already in the hundreds of millions yung iba of dollars ang kanilang assets because of this investment. So, ako during that time, I was in the same boat na hindi ako naniniwala. But I could have afforded kahit siguro mga 3 or 10 Bitcoin. Imagine 10 Bitcoin. If I was holding on to that right now, I would have 23 million pesos. Di ba? So, hindi biro ang pag-miss ng opportunity. And then, my recommendation with regards to this presentation, do not miss this one, guys. Dahil kasi, I have really great studies on this and projection, no? Pagkatapos nyo dito, you will see what I have seen, no? And what I see here is the door towards abundance and prosperity and financial freedom. This can be the opportunity na hinahanap-hanap mo na mag-aahon sa'yo sa kahirapan. Okay? So, move forward tayo. This is a direct and simple business talk. Alam nyo ako, guys, I talk a lot, but karamihan ng mga sinasabi ko, I wanted to have purpose, I wanted to have reason and meaning, no? Gusto ko may kabuluhan. So, listen well. Need mo maintindihan kasi ng maigi kung ano itong business na i-explain ko sa inyo. And how this business can change your life. Paano nito maaring maibago ang buhay mo? Maahon ka sa kahirapan, mabigyan ka ng financial freedom at magawa mo yung mga gusto mong gawin sa buhay na hindi mo magawa dahil wala kang pera. Okay. So, pagtapos natin ito, magde-decide ka ngayon kung itutuloy mo o hindi ang program. Because we don't like wasting time. Thank you enough for watching this. If you believed in me and decided to watch this, iwa-watch mo na lang din naman, sulitin mo na yung watch mo and maybe you might learn something. Kung meron diyang magulong katabi or whatever, mag-ano ka muna, maglock ka muna sa kwarto o kaya sa banyo. Because this ain't gonna take too long. Hindi to masyadong mahaba, no? But the thing is, i-explain ko in detail pa rin kung ano ang proseso, kung paano kang maaaring magkaroon. Actually, just about 6 months ang ating projection dito. But give it the whole 2024. I will guarantee you if you enter this and then you do what needs to be done, makikita nyo napakalaki ng potential success dito, no? So, ganun lang kasimple yon. Now, our business is Got Backup. This is an American company and it's been praised by a lot of online entrepreneurs as one of the best and most powerful online opportunities in 2024. So, as our Unipreneur, which is our company here in the Philippines, by the way, this is an international business. It's just that grupo natin itong Unipro, no? And this is our massive income program for 2024 because I analyzed the business and then i-share ko sa inyo yung analysis na yon and yung reasoning ko na hindi pino-point out ng ibang mga leaders. Ako kasi I really made a projection kung ano yung pwedeng kitain if you do certain things. Alam niyo ako, guys, when I go into a business, I wanna have a projection or a timetable kung kailan tayo kikita ng income, 'di ba? When can we have reasonably good income, no? Okay, so move forward. So, again, ayoko mag-aksaya tayong lahat ng oras because, lost time is lost forever. Hindi ka pwedeng bumili ng panibagong oras, di ba? Kaya we should not waste time. So, itong business na ito ay simple at kayang gawin. I recommend at least 15 minutes a day to devote to this business. Kaya ba yon? Di ba? So, this gets rid of the excuses na wala na kasi akong oras, yung mga ganun-ganun ba? Guys, kung ganun lang din ang i-excuse ninyo, wag na kayong umasang aasenso pa sa buhay. Kung sasabihin nyo lang wala kayong oras, no? Or you'll wait for the perfect time because there never is the perfect time. You will never feel like doing things, always. Now, yun ang diferensya kasi sa success tsaka sa hindi successful na tao. Because the successful people do things even when it's inconvenient for them, when they feel that sobrang busy na nila, the successful people still find ways to make things happen. Okay? So, if you want something, it's just a matter of priority. Diba? If you want something, you will make time for it. Now, dito, sinasabi ko, 15 minutes a day lang. Okay? You can make success with this. Now, it's also very affordable. So, inalis na natin yung excuse about walang oras and very affordable. So, abot kaya siya. And it's an American business, ha? Dollar-based siya. But still, it's affordable. Kaya, pumuputok kita ngayon in Europe, in North America, including Canada, no? So, ano lang, susundan mo lang ang simpleng programa. Pinasimple na natin na maigi dito. Ang magiging resulta niyan ay massive income that can really change your life. Suffice to say, makikita mo dito kung paano kang yayaman this 2024 as a result of following our program. By the way, itong program natin ito, sa atin lang ito, no? This is how I structured how the business can be done. Can be done, okay? You can do the business any other way kung anong gusto mo. But the thing is, if you do it this way, you can expect income within the first 3 to 4 to onwards. Okay? Unlimited ang income dito sa business na ito. Now, this is our simple program. It's just 2 simple steps. You subscribe and register sa umpisa para maging member ka na, no? And number 2 is you share the product and the business and the program. Importante yung program because doon dyan maiintindihan ng tao na yung pinang-subscribe and register niya hindi mapupunta sa wala. Okay, moving forward. So, when you subscribe and register as a distributor, meron ka ng highly usable product. It is a cloud storage service o parang Google Drive. Siguro kung napanood mo na yung iba kong video alam mo na. But the thing is, it's like Google Drive, it's like Dropbox, no? It's 6 terabytes. 6 TB and terabytes. That's basically 6,000 gigabytes, no? So 6 terabytes and it's shareable with up to 6 people, okay? And the maintenance is only one time lang pala to. This is the one-time registration of only $30. One time lang 'yan. One time lang. And it's shareable with up to 6 people and the subscription is $10 monthly. Okay? So, but with our program, eliminated na ang cost of maintenance. We'll discuss this in future slides, no? Now, again, $30 to get in and $10 monthly na eliminated because of our program. So, 6 terabytes yan, guys. You can upload if you're a vlogger, you can upload your videos there. Alam natin. And you can share this across your devices from Android to Apple to PCs, no? So, very, very usable siya and flexible. Now, step number 2 na tayo agad. Share the product and the business and the program. So, simple and doable ang strategy natin. We call it the Quincenas plan. Bakit Quincenas? Di ba? Sa Quincenas kasi, usually yan, sumasweldo ang mga tao. So, they will have the budget to get inside the program. Importante lang maintindihan nila, no? Anyway, the Quincenas, it means that itong 1x per K/K, that means isang tao kada Quincenas. Okay? Isa ka tao kada Quincenas. Ibig sabihin, you will get you will share with one person who will get into the program per quincenas isang ganyan. Okay. So dito, we talk with people with a purpose, hindi yung nakikipag-usap lang tayo at wala namang dahilan yung pag-uusap natin. Dito, ibe-bless kasi natin yung mga tao with this business. Okay? Pag naintindihan nila, they will see how they can also make income and financial freedom from this. So what do you need to do? You talk with people with a purpose for 15 minutes a day. Yan na yung 15 minutes mo for them to see this video or to look at other information with regards so that they can know more about our gut backup business. Ngayon, pag naintindihan nila at nagustuhan nila, they will sign up under you. Yan na, may income ka na. So dito, sasabihin mo sa kanila, pagdating, let's say, sabihin nila, wala pa akong pera. O edi pagdating ng quincenas, itabi mo na ang pang GBU mo pagdating ng sweldo. So ito ang magiging susi sa pagyaman sa ating lahat. Okay? Now, mga paraan ng kitaan. Okay, dito na tayo. This is the compensation plan, guys. This is how you see how you can make money and when. So, direct referral, okay, and there's the binary matrix, and then there is the check matching. In-interchange ko yung number 2 and number 3, no? Dahil kasi I think the flow will be better there. So, one-time registration, di ba, ng $30. And guess what? You get $20 per direct referral. Yan na yung sinasabi ko na may eliminate mo na yung maintenance. Bakit? Monthly subscription is $10, di ba? Okay, by the way, sorry. Parang hindi ako yung gumawa, no? So anyway, monthly subscription pala is only 25%, you get 25% commission from the monthly subscription. So sa $10, you get $2.50 per 50 cents per $10 subscription monthly. Okay? So every time sa direct mo 'yan, sa mga direct na nai-sponsor mo sa business, no? So dito na yung income mo from the program. O, di ba? May dalawa kang referrals dahil dalawang kinsena sa isang buwan. So, dalawang tao ang pumasok. So, meron kang $40 or 2,200 pesos. Okay? That's gross, ha? Because may mga holding pa, di ba? Now, dito natin sinasabi that the $10 USD maintenance is already covered. But kumita ka na ng $40. So, hindi na lalabas out of pocket mo ang pang-maintain mo ng GBU cloud storage. Okay? So, you can continue with your storage. You can continue with your business without any problems, no? So, yon. And also, ano pang income mo dyan? It's the accumulating na subscription commissions mo from your direct. Ibig sabihin, kung may 100 directs ka, okay, in time, 100, you will have $250. Okay? Hindi ganun kalaki itong direct referral. This is the outright, yung mabilisan na komisyon. In 1 month, makukuha mo na dahil kasi may holding fee yan, $20 na yan. Now, moving forward. So, kita nyo, generous ang direct referral commission. So, if you have one direct referral, that is practically $20 or 1,100 pesos. Kung meron kang 5 direct referral, that is 5,500. So, you want 10,000 pesos, that's 10 times 1,100, that is 11,000 pesos. So, guys, napakadaling kumita just by referring the business through the direct referral. If you treat this business seriously, it will reward you. Okay? And then, kung gagaya din yung iba, you're going to create a massive organization ng gaya-gaya or what we call duplication. Okay? Now, the binary matrix, how does it work? Alam natin ang binary structure, di ba? Dalawa lang ang maximum legs. So, dito, with the maximum of 2 legs plus the power line, magkakaroon ng maramihan. Yan ang ginagawa namin ngayon dito. We want to build to massive spillover so that everybody will be happy. Everybody will be working together. No? By the way, how does it work? Hindi po 1:1 ang binary structure ng gut backup. Dahil kasi hindi po sustainable ang 1:1. Ito po, basically, magbubuo ka ng 4 on one side and 2 on one side. You will still have the left and the right, no? So, this is a total of 6 subscribers. So, one cycle equals $8 to $12. So, ito yung ano niya, no? Explanation. So, you will see there on the left, yung blue, that's the power leg. There are 4 people. And then, on the pay leg, there are 2 people. that is equivalent to 1 cycle. So that is what we call the 4 plus 2 binary matrix, which is equal to 8 to 12 US dollars. So imagine this. If you have 40 people on one side or 20 people and 20 people on the other side, that is 10 cycles, diba? That is a 60 people structure that gives you 4,400 pesos or 80 US dollars monthly income. Okay, this is additional income, guys, and this can be done in not a long amount of time, no? Imagine an extra 4,400 people. Now, ang maganda pa dyan, hindi sa'yo lahat ng galing yung 60 people na yan. Remember, this is a binary. So, yung mga tao sa ibabaw mo, once na puno nila yung dalawa nila, umaawas na lang sa ilalim mo yung mga taong yan. No? So, now, this is the explanation of the binary matrix. So, dito, kita mo yung A, B, C, di ba? So, kita mo, si C, spillover mo lang yan from your uplines, di ba? Tapos ikaw, dahil kasi sobra na, puno na yung B and C mo, ini-spill over mo na si D kay B. 'Di ba? Ikaw din, dahil masipag ka, ini-spill over mo din si P kay H. Si H naman, ini-spill over din yan from your upline. So dito guys, dito natin makikita because dalawa lang ang space mo sa binary. That is how it creates excitement and momentum and cooperation sa grupo. Okay, which means na karamihan siguro ng taong makukuha mo or asa ilalim mo in the binary structure, spill over lang. Ganyan na nangyayari sa akin ngayon, no? So, we also call this the power of compounding leverage because when you recruit a person or when you refer a person and then that person refers a person, dalawa na kayong nag-active na regre-refer. 'Di ba? That is compounded to 2 already. And then pag compound kayo, nagtig-isa kayo, what happens there? Nadagdagan ulit ng dalawa, compounded na kayo to 4 people. And then, nagdo-double na. 'Di ba? So, dito, with the spillover, people in the upstream, lahat nagdadagdag lang pababa dahil hindi na sila pwedeng magdagdag sa direct nila due to the binary structure, no? So, this creates the synergy and cooperation and working together, resulting in lahat tayo makikinabang. That is massive mutual benefits. Okay? So, it doesn't matter dito. Mas gugustuhin mo ba ditong asa ilalim ka? Bakit? Dahil kasi yung asa ibabaw mo, kung marami yan, marami ang matatanggap mong spillover. Diba? So, ganun lang kasimple yon. So, another thing is our infinity matrix because it's a 4 plus 2, it is infinity binary. Okay? Binary, infinity ang going down niya. Wala kang masasayang dito. Wala kang ang tawag doon, mga tapon na pairing. Okay? So, ito ang projection natin. I'll move my picture from here to here, no? This is the income projection potential, no? So, dito ginawa natin 'yan. So, hindi ko na kinover. So, you will see already right away, 'di ba? You will see on the month, first month, 2 months. So, nakita nyo, naka-divide yung rows to quincenas. There's a 15 days, 30 days. So, nakita nyo explanation dyan on your first day or day 0 mo, mag-isa ka pa lang, and then within your first quincenas, naka-recruit ka or naka-refer ka ng isa. So, dalawa na kayo. And then, plus 1/k pa rin kayo. Anong gagawin? Parehas kayong committed pa rin to mag-sponsor o magre-refer ng isang tao kada quincenas. So, in 30 days, kayong dalawa, nagdagdag kayo ng tig-isa, so plus 2, maging 4 na kayo. And then, 4 na kayo, nagdadagdag ng tig-isa, so another plus 4, that's 8. And then, the 8 plus 8, 16. 16 plus 16, 32. So, nagdo-double, no? Can you see the potential income? Di ba? Pag nasunod ito. That means that if you want 10,000 more or less, 10,000 pesos na yung income mo niyan, it happens in your 105th day. Yan, 'di ba? Yung quincenas after 3 months, that is 105 days, no? But look at this, in 6 months magkano potential income? That is 300,000 monthly income. Siguro naman kung ginawa mo ito na hindi ka pa masyado at yung mga tao mo naging active, siguro naman kahit 30,000, 20,000 meron kang monthly income, 'di ba? So, anong importanteng gagawin? You just stick to your +1/K, 1 tao kada kinsenas, as best as you can. Siguro, if you're doing the 15 minutes a day servicing or working on this business, magkakaresulta kang mas maganda pa malamang kaysa dito. Kung lahat nag-allocate ng 15 minutes of time, anong ginagawa mo in every 15 minutes? You talk with 1, 2, or 3 people. Anong sasabihin mo? Oh bro, meron akong business and I'll send you the video and simple lang ito. If you don't like it, okay lang. But if you like it, let's talk more. Ganun lang, di ba? So dito, you just commit to 1 referral and imagine the potential results in 6 months is 300,000 monthly income. Di ba? Ngayon, what's the income potential if you do +2/K or 2 tao kada kinsenas? Bakit mangyayari yan? Paano kasi pag masipag kayo, yung 15 minutes a day mo, talagang sinwerte ka and you are able to bring in 2 people every 15 days. So, yung mga tao mo, mag-bring in din ng 2 people. Ibig sabihin, kung hindi ka pa nakaka-bring ng 2 people in every kinsenas, i-doble mo siguro yung effort mo. But the thing is, sa tingin ko, sa pagka-explain at saka sa mga videos and materials natin, kayang magawa ito. So, nakita ba ninyo yan? Hindi ko na, hindi ko na tinapalan. So, you can see in the 6 months, that is $472,000. That is 23,619,600 monthly pesos income. Okay? So, siguro naman, if you do this, imagine ang binago mo lang is nagdagdag ka lang ng quota sa sarili mo na 2 tao kada kinsenas. Guys, sabi ko, very realistic ito. Because it is only $30 entry. Okay? So, imagine the perfect realization of this plan is 23.6 million. Compounding leverage po kasi yan. So, imagine mo kung 23 million na lang ang iyong perfect income, di ba? And then, sabihin mong 1%. What's 1%? That is still 236,000 pesos monthly income, 1% success. Yon. So, imagine, this is the power of binary and its massive spillovers and unlimited potential because global business, buong mundo ito. So, this is massive, passive, sustainable income, guys. No? So, the last one is check matching. Basically, ganito lang kasimple ito. Kung may mga leaders ka, yung total income nila, halimbawa, may $1,000 yung direct A mo. Okay? May $1,000 total income yon. You basically get 25% of that. So, you get $250 equivalent. But without taking it from your downline. No? So, it becomes a chain pay line because it starts from the bottom. Yung 25% sa ilalim, nadagdagan doon sa susunod, akyat ng akyat yung 25% hanggang umabot sa direct at saka sa iyo. And then, yung asa ibabaw mo, kikita din yan ng 25% ng kinita mo. So, what does this do? Ito, it incentivizes you para tulungan mo yung downline mo na maging successful. Yun naman ang gusto natin. That's why we're also into business in this industry because we also want to change people's lives and make their lives better. Hindi yung pangit yung papagkakitaan lang natin yung mga tao. Dito hindi tayo yayaman sa paisa-isang direct referral. The thing is, we want to create compounding leverage by duplication, no? Ang maganda pa dito, unlimited depth din siya. Infinity din po yung ilalim niyan. So, the stronger your direct members, then the bigger your commission. So, computation, guys. Yun nga. You earn $250 for every So, that's 13,000. Kung yung direct sponsor mo is making $1,000, you're basically making 13,000 per month, no? So, kung may 5 ka, that's 68,000. Kung may 10 ka, that's 137,000 per month. So, this is the total income of all your direct members. So, binibilisan ko na, guys, no? Guys, marketing facts. I'm going to move my picture again. Marketing facts. This is a global market. 3 billion or more gadget users kailangan nito. So, pioneering phase tayo dahil hindi pa ganun kaputok ang gut backup, especially in Southeast Asia. And the members are currently less than 50. I think asa mga 50 plus na tayo here in North America and Europe ang pinakamarami. And there are 12 million Filipinos abroad, guys. Nakita ninyo yon? Magkano yon for you to just earn 23 million? You only need 300 plus thousand members. There are 12 million Filipinos abroad, guys. Pinoy pa lang yan. So, makaramihan sa atin, we have OFW relatives and friends. And Pinoys are everywhere. And for most people, especially abroad, $30 is very, very cheap and affordable. So, it's an online business. So, hindi mo kailangan mag-ship, hindi mo kailangan mga produkto or whatever. So, it costs less and easier to do. Wala kang shipping fee or whatnot, no? Payout, subok ko na yan. I already got my payout via Payoneer. So, it will deposit directly to your bank pag nagkaroon ka na ng income. It's a simple and effective business itong ating Powerline strategy sa Unipro because dito may structure tayo na at least plus 1 per quincenas. Kita nyo yung epekto nun? We have a target, we have a quota that will result in concrete, yung talagang mapapanghawakan mong income kung gagawin mo, 'di ba? And again, this is the most affordable. Napaka-massive ng income potential. So another thing, guys, we want to help and serve Pinoys, financial relief. Guys, we want to create a solid leadership team that will lead for the global market. And we are inviting OFW leaders all around the world. Guys, Middle East, UAE, Saudi, Oman. Guys, ang dami nyo dyan. And through that, you guys will be the channel to the people of the world. If you have Japanese, Taiwanese, Chinese friends, friends in Singapore, guys, you will open new countries. Imagine there are 250 million Indonesians, Pakistani 200 plus, and India 1.4 billion. Guys, if you have, alam ba ninyo, if you have a million downlines, that is in the future, maybe in 10 years, you have a million downlines. Ilan yon? How much income will that be for you? That is like times 3 of the almost 100 million or 70-80 million pesos income monthly. Okay, if you have a million downlines. So guys, this is a dollar-based business, kaya may mga iba na sa ating uplines in North America and Europe, they're already earning in the $20,000 monthly. Okay? So guys, this is really pioneering. Now, imagine when you combine all of the income from way to earn 1, 2, and 3, direct referral, binary, and check matching. Guys, sabi ko sa inyo, kayang-kaya ang 100,000 in 6 months. 'Di ba? Dahil kasi ano nga 'yon, yung sa plus 1, ang perfect income is 300,000. Sa plus 2, the perfect income is 23,600,000. So, kayang-kaya talaga. E-effortan mo lang talaga. So, guys, ini-invite ko kayo for 2024. Let's not have excuses. Let's not have, let's just work. Okay? Yun lang ang gagawin natin, no? And this business will create massive income for us, no? So, imagine, in 1 year, kaya ang 500,000 to 7 figures. Guys, actually, nahihinaan ako kung hindi ka abot ng 1 million within 2024 doing this. It means, alam mo yan. You know kung binuhos mo at binigyan mo ang oras ng isang bagay. Okay? So, honestly ako, I can admit to myself, hindi ko pa binubuhos ang kahit na 20% ko siguro. Guys, just to be, I'm so ashamed to say this, but what if I just put in 50% effort? 'Di ba? Kahit papaano kumita na ako ng mga $80 dito in the past 2 months. But the thing is, I know I have not given all that I can give here. So, that's why we're making this video, no? So, dito, makikita mo talaga ang future financial freedom natin. So, if you target 200,000 monthly, okay, what if you have monthly 200,000? Ano kaya ang ma-afford mo? Andiyan ang kotse, bahay, travel. Siyempre, importante sa atin yung buhay na mapayapa at marangya. Financial security para sa pamilya at magulang, 'di ba? Napaka-importante yung mga 'yan, 'di ba? Pero masarap magkaroon ng magandang buhay because you have the financial power and capability to have that happy and well-lived life, no? Also, at the same time, pag marami kang pera, marami kang assets, madali nang tumulong sa ibang tao. So, dito, it's time to live our dream life this 2024, a life of abundance, purpose, options. Okay? Hindi yung ito na dito na lang tayo dahil ito mas mura, hindi ganoon. 'Di ba? Freedom, because having financial freedom also gives you freedom in other aspects to go where you want to go, to be what you want to be. You want to have a healthy body, then you can afford it. You can go to a good gym, you can invest in your food, in your nutrition, no? So also financial security, guys, 'di ba? What if magkaroon ng crisis and what not, 'di ba? Mahirap talaga ang walang pera. And also contribution. Marami tayong matutulungan na tao talaga. And importante, mag-give back tayo when we get the abundance, no? So dito, it's, wag na tayong mag-indecision. If you understood what this business, what this presentation talks about, then decide ka na kung gusto mo o hindi. And let's make together 2024 count. We are inviting you to our group page and to our team. Join us, guys, and let's make the most out of 2024. So, yun lang, everybody. So, I hope naintindihan ninyo yung explanation ko. So, have a blessed weekend. It's a Friday night tonight, and ingat kayo. Mukhang uulan. So, God bless everybody. Bye-bye for now.